And in our commitment to bringing you more to every story, KREM 2 has been working since early this morning to give you more context on what this means for the case. KREM 2's Shannon Hamoudi spoke with a legal expert today on the strategic move of convening that grand jury. Shannon?
A trial attorney tells me prosecutors asking a grand jury to weigh the evidence is just that, a strategic move. While a grand jury may be an unfamiliar concept for most,
grand jury system exists in the Constitution. It's in the Fifth Amendment. It's been around since 1776.
Trial attorney Mo Hamoudi says it is a legal strategy that safeguards a highly publicized case, since the process is done behind closed doors instead of the public preliminary hearing. It can protect the defendant and witnesses.
The witnesses feel much more comfortable, sometimes freer to talk.
Hamoudi says that can play against the defense because a grand jury isn't an adversarial process. No cross-examination.
The only authority that the defense attorney has is nothing. Can't do anything.
Another plus for the prosecutor, keeping their case theory secret until trial, as they only present some of the evidence.
The grand jurors ask questions to the witnesses. They're free to do that. And they're free to ask the prosecutor to produce witnesses and produce additional evidence. They have subpoena power.
And since a majority of those jurors agreed to indict, Hamoudi says it can also point to the strength of the case we'll see play out at trial, a vote of confidence for the state moving forward.
Absolutely, because what the prosecutor received was a positive nod by members of the public with respect to some of the evidence that they've collected thus far.
So what happens next? Koberger will enter a plea on Monday, then the judge will schedule the next hearings, including a trial date. Shannon Hamoudi, KREM 2 News.